Extraction of iron. It has been since 5,000 years that man is using iron. Iron is the second most abundant metal in the earth. The most important ores of iron are hematite and magnetite. These ores contain different types of impurities. The first step is to remove the impurities. This is called as concentration of the ore. The iron ore is converted to iron in a blast furnace. This is made of steel in which the inner side is covered using bricks. The mixture of concentrated ore, coke and limestone are added from the top into the blast furnace. A powerful current of hot air is blown from the bottom simultaneously. During the flow of hot air from bottom to top, coke combines with oxygen in the air to form carbon monoxide. 2C on reaction with O2 forms 2CO. Due to this reaction, large amount of heat is released, and thus the temperature of blast furnace increases to 2000 degrees Celsius. Carbon monoxide formed in the furnace reduces the ore. Fa2O3 on reaction with 3CO forms 2Fe and 3CO2. At high temperature, calcium carbonate decomposes to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. CaCO3 forms CaO and CO2. Then impurities silicon dioxide in the ore reacts with calcium oxide and form calcium silicate, which is known as slag. Flux on reaction with GaNs forms slag. CaO on reaction with SiO2 forms CaSiO3. The iron obtained directly from blast furnace is called as pig iron. It contains carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, manganese, silicon, etc. in very small quantities. Pig iron is heated to melting and again solidified to get cast iron. In cast iron, 95% is iron. The iron which contains 0.1% to 1.5% of carbon is called steel.